Wait.
Okay, welcome to this video. English speaking course. I I request to all my friends, please subscribe my channel and watch all my video. Please subscribe. Today we talk about using a or an. How you using a or an? A or an using in front of noun. What is the noun? Noun, person, place, thing, animal is now name of noun. What is the noun? The noun is person, place, thing and animal. Look at this board. Here is I write some noun. The first noun is banana. Banana starting with B. B is consonant. This letter B letter is consonant. Before I talk about consonant and vowels, main vowels A, E, I, O, U, this banana starting letter B. This B is consonant. So here must we use a banana, a banana. And second noun is apple. Apple starting words is a. A is vowels. So we here must we use an. An apple. An apple. And other noun is cat. The cat starting letter is C. C is the consonant. So here we use a cat, a cat, a cat. And next one, boy. Boy, B starting letter B. B also consonant. So here we use a boy, a boy, a boy. And next one, egg. E G G, egg. Egg, E is vowel. So we use here an egg, an egg. And last one, ant, ant, A-N-T, ant. So here also the first letter A is vowel. So here we use an ant. So let's practice with me. A banana, a banana, an ant. Keep in mind when you use front of noun an and word like this one word like one word, an ant, and here cat, a cat, a cat, a cat, a boy, a boy, a boy. And here also egg starting with vowels E. So we also use here an egg, an egg, an egg, an egg. Listen carefully. We speak when we use an front of noun. We speak like a one word. An egg, an egg, an egg. And last one, an ant, an ant, an ant. Okay, this is the use of a and an. Okay, move on the next part. Okay, let's more practice. I write here some also noun, and we go practice together. What we should put here front of noun. First noun is book. Book is the thing. Before I speak noun, what is the noun? Noun is the name of place, person, animal and thing. So here all is noun, and before I speak also where we use a or an. So front of noun, we use always front of noun or an. Here some nouns. Book is the thing we read, and park is place, we go there, park. Umbrella is the thing when we use when it ran. And elephant is animal. Doctor is person. And orange also a thing we eat. So we together decide what we use here front of noun. Book starting with letter B. B is vowel, V is consonant. So we must use here a book. A book. Park starting letter is P, is also consonant. So we use here a park. A park. What about umbrella? Umbrella starting letter with U, and you know about this U is vowel. So before starting with U, and U is the vowel. So before vowel we use an. Here also use an. An umbrella. Elephant also starting with E is vowel, and before we use also here an elephant. Word like one word, use one word. An elephant, an umbrella, an elephant. Doctor starting letter with D. D is consonant, so here we use a doctor. And last word is orange. Orange also starting with O, and O, O is vowel, so where we use an. A book, a park, an umbrella, an elephant, a doctor, and orange. So guys, always remember using a or an. Before noun we use a or an. If the first letter, noun first letter vowel, we use an, and first letter consonant we use a. Okay, thank you for watching. We see you next video. Bye.